How to use Metatrader Fore app. A Forex robot is an automated Forex system that will trade the foreign exchange for you. They are also known as expert advisors. You load the robot onto a currency pair on your trading platform. You can then leave your trading platform running and the software will make trades. This is ideal for those who do not have the time to trade and also for those who lack the discipline and emotions required for trading. There are many Forex robots available on the market. In truth, most of them are created by programmers and sold on by marketers rather than successful traders. However, once in a while a Forex robot is released that trades in exactly the same way as the successful trader who had it programmed, whether by themselves or by outsourcing the work to a highly skilled programmer. There are a variety of reasons to why Forex robots appear on the market. It could be that the creator of the automated Forex robot wants to share their system with fellow traders as they understand how difficult it is to become a successful trader. It may be that the creator wants to share his system to receive feedback and possibly help to improve the system. They may also need to raise some money in order to improve the robot. A good Forex robot will require a small purchase cost, but the buyer needs to be aware that if they are purchasing a good system, the initial cost is only a small fraction of what a good Forex robot is capable of making. There are many factors to consider when purchasing a Forex robot. The factors differ depending on how much money you have to invest. If you have a small amount to invest, then it is important that the robot only suffers small drawdowns. You will also need a robot that gains profit on a daily basis in order to increase your account quickly. If you are using a long-term trading Forex robot, then it could take a while to begin seeing a small account increase significantly. On the other hand, if the robot is a scalper short-term system, then the account will increase much quicker. For those who have substantial amounts to invest, you should still look for a Forex robot that suffers small drawdowns, although you have more room for maneuver. With a larger account, you can also take less risk, as the size of the account means that only a small gain can bring big rewards. The robot should be ECN and non-ECN compatible. It should work on 4 and 5-digit brokers. It should come with a lifetime support and money-back guarantee. There should also be no discrepancies on what time frame and currency the Forex robot trades on. Also look for high-quality backtests and forward tests if available. Be aware that forward tests can be harder to come by due to the sensitivity of sharing account information. You can find many Forex robots available for instant downloads by searching the web. Be careful of reviews that you read for the reasons stated in this article. Use the information in this article to assist you in choosing the correct automated Forex robot. You will need the Metatrader trading platform that is free to download and use. You can register a demo account at no cost with a Forex broker to test the Forex robot before opening a live account. If you go live, most brokers will require at least a $50 deposit to begin trading. That is all you need. If you do decide to run a Forex robot for the long term, you may want to consider setting up a virtual private server so that you can allow your trading platform to run 24/7 without having to be logged onto your home computer.